Great idea. Yeah,
I think so.
I like it.
Okay, did you guys have a good Valentine's Day?
Yeah, it's been a great day so far, you know, and the rain holding off until the very, very end of Valentine's Day, but it is starting to move in. Right now it's still light, so it's not bad. Now tonight and tomorrow, it's going to start to turn heavy and the winds are going to be picking up and it's going to be pretty messy at times. So enjoy what we have going on right now, but you can see it moving in from west to east, already turning quite a bit wetter for coastal areas. You can see it lined up here all up and down the coast. As you get closer to wine country, it does thin out a bit. And of course, we're looking at mainly just some sprinkles trying to push into southwestern sections of the metro area and extending down through the valley. And then just a little bit of spotty, very light rain just starting to push into Portland, back towards Beaverton and Cedar Mill. So you may be noticing a few little drops of rain there, but nothing too tough to handle. That'll continue to head to the east, so don't be surprised if you see a few little raindrops over the next hour or two, but that's going to turn into a steady heavy rain later on tonight. By 10 o'clock, between then and midnight, it starts to pick up and become pretty steady, and then we'll continue to see it just come down into your morning commute. 41 degrees for a low tonight. Overnight lows last night right around 33, so much milder. This is going to be warmer snow levels. Snow levels are going to be higher, so we're looking at rain for most of the ski resorts, unfortunately, but it does change back over into snow for the Cascades by Thursday, so those snow levels will be dropping. Through the gorge, look at the temperatures here. We're at 32 at the Dalles, 36 in Hood River. Temperatures are going to continue to drop here, that east wind keeping the cold air in place, and so as this moisture spreads here later tonight, we're going to have to watch for freezing rain into areas where temperatures will be falling to freezing, and that will be much of the central gorge back to the east. The rest of us nice and mild, but ice storm warnings in effect from east of Multnomah Falls all the way as you head out towards Hood River and into the upper Hood River Valley. And some of these areas, especially east of Bonneville, could see quite a bit of freezing rain where ice accumulations may exceed ½ an inch, which could get really heavy on the power lines and the trees, and of course the roads will stay very icy from that. That goes until 6 a.m. Thursday morning. So here's the forecast. Waking up tomorrow morning, we'll have some scattered rain around. The heaviest stuff still staying confined to the coast and the coast range. We'll try to catch a break from some of the rain late in the morning and through the lunch hour, and then we get hit with another wave of moisture and the rain comes down and it'll be heavy again, and then we get hit yet with another wave by tomorrow evening into tomorrow night. This is just before midnight, and you can see the rain really picking up all up and down the valley into southwest Washington and into the Cascades. As we get closer to Thursday, you can start to see the snow levels dropping here, indicating snow coming down from the mountains. So colder air moving in aloft. We'll have to watch out for occasional downpours Thursday afternoon, maybe even some small hail. And then once we get through Thursday, the active weather pattern pretty much over for us here in the metro. For a little while, we'll be back to rain chances over the weekend, but it will not be this significant. Take a look at the rain totals just as we wrap things up on Wednesday. We're talking an inch to an inch and a half for coastal areas. We could see more than that for the coast range, and then we could be looking at totals anywhere from near ½ an inch farther south in the valley to close to 3/4 of an inch for the metro and northern portion of the valley, and then we could tack on another ½ to 3/4 of an inch as we go through tomorrow night into Thursday. So your hour-by-hour forecast tomorrow, we'll try to catch some breaks in the rain here and there, but overall a wet and blustery day. Temperatures in the 40s for most of the day with a high close to 50 degrees. Central and eastern Oregon temperatures will top out in the 40s there, so more rain. And then for the coast, first thing in the morning, it's going to be windy, and we'll see wet and windy conditions sticking around through tomorrow and tomorrow night. Your 7-day forecast, rain and breezy. Thursday, lingering showers, downpours possible. Friday, mainly dry, and then for the weekend, we'll be dodging showers, but it doesn't look like it'll be as intense. We're not tapping into that deep moisture, the atmospheric river type of event for this weekend, but pretty wet and messy for us.
You know, we're already halfway through February.
We are.
Yeah, I mean,
so
you know, things are cruising.
There. It is, and we had a nice little break, so we can handle this.
It's flying, boy. Really is. We'll be right back, everybody.